supposed to be here with me. Okay. We've spent a lot of time practicing this skit. We started at 5:30.
Yes.
Actually, we didn't practice. We decided what we were going to do. It's tough coming after those junior counselors. Oh man, how the pressure's really on. Oh, gee. Okay, this is what we're going to do. We're going to do like a charade tonight. And it's going to be the type of thing where you guys have to cooperate. Okay, you have all week. And you guys too. You got to be quiet when we want you to be quiet. And only do what we tell you to do. Okay? 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 All right. Now, so what we are going to do is we're going to do a charade of, now we have great junior counselors, and I mean they're fantastic. If you're the parent of one of these high school students, you really have to be proud. Anyway, but as perfect as they are, they all have flaws, and we know that. They try to emulate us, and we know we're flawless, except for Mr. Reichert. Okay, so what we're going to do is, the setting is we're sitting around a campfire, and we're talking about the junior counselors. And so we're going to do a charade that represents one of the junior counselors. And then after all the charades are done, then we're going to ask the campers to decide which junior counselor that we're doing the charade on. Okay? What? We got a question. You weren't here all week. I know. You know what? It's like when you're in school. If you miss, you sit next to somebody smart. You know? Take a little peek at their paper. I didn't really say that. I didn't mean that. Okay, now. Hey, I did the compass stuff, not the fire.
Looking good.
What do you have to say? Answer.
Every year the junior counselors poke fun at us, so now it's time for us to get you guys back.
But I didn't know how nasty they were. I wish that we would have, gotten a little rough about this, We were kind of like G-rated, Okay. All right, here we go. So first up, we have... Okay. I'm not going to, she knows I'm going to screw this up, and I'm going to hear about it. All right. All right. Junior counselor number 1. You guys watch Glow.
I'm all ready for camp. I got my shorts and my flip-flops. And it's almost time to get on the bus.
You can't wear that on the bus.
You can't have shorts and flip-flops.
No, put on your jeans. You have to change.
Jeans on.
Really?
Yes. No, put on shoes on the
All
first
right,
day.
okay. Well, this is my first year, I haven't been here before, and I am just so excited. I've heard so much about my campers, and I just can't wait. I'm hoping to come back next year.
The ticks are gonna crawl
Oh,
up.
no, I'm okay, I'm okay.
Watch out for the fire.
That was most impressive. Okay, now we have a charade on junior counselor number 2. Yeah, that's you.
Hello. Hello, everybody. I hope you're all enjoying yourself today. You have a good night now. Thank you.
I don't know why the rest of us are even gonna bother, you know. Okay, and this would be junior counselor number 3.
I'm kind of clumsy. Oh, but this is my second year. I've got it all down pat. Look at these. I got my boots. I can go down to the waterfront. I can go in the water and pull the boats in. And I'm ready. I'm so ready. And boy, I'm ready for the water. You ready for the water?
I'm ready.
I'm ready. Oh, you're gonna get wet feet. You know that. You know, you've got to come prepared. I'm gonna come back a couple more years yet. I've got my act together.
That was frightening. Okay, now we have, junior counselor number 4. Okay, let me see about this. Mr. Shields said, okay, we have to pace this off. And a pace is equal to 2 steps. And if a pace is equal to 2 steps, then a step must be equal to half a pace. So I've got to go 300 feet, and I got to pace this off, and I have to count. Okay, let me go. 1, 2, 41, 42, 43, 1, 2, 3, 4. I can do this, Mr. Shields. All right, I'm going to get this. Okay, here we go. A compass reading of 160 degrees. Okay, and I got to do this straight. I got to pick a tree.
Your steel is showing in your boot.
What?
Your steel is showing in your boot.
Don't pick on me now. I'm concentrating on this. Okay, here we go. I'm sighting on a tree. I'm going straight. I forgot which tree it was. I can do this, Mr. Shields. I can do this. That's it. Okay, and now we have counselor number 5.
Okay, let's get fired up. Okay, Norway. Ready? We've got spirit. Yes, we do. We've got spirit. How about you?
Ooh, that was good. Okay, now we have junior counselor number 6.
Hey, who am I? Hey, which one is that? Gotta get character.
Hey, how you doing?
What's going on?
Gonna wash dishes.
Can we help?
You betcha. We can help together. Colorado, Rocky Mountain High. I don't know the rest of the words, but we're here. I see fire in the sky. Colorado, Rocky Mountain High.
Okay, that was counselor number 6, and now we have counselor number 7.
Good dual personality, I like that.
Well, we are going on a hike today, and I have to remember to tell my campers exactly what they have to bring and exactly what they have to do. You know, we're going out in the woods, so you need to have the spray. You need to make sure that you've got double layers on. You need to make sure that you have a hat on, or a scarf, or whatever you'd like to wear. And when you get back from camping and in the woods, when you get back from your walk, you need to take a shower because, you know, it's dirty out there.
Okay, that was junior counselor 7. Next we have junior counselor 8. I think the fire is going out.
I like to think that I'm pretty funny. In fact, I'm probably the most funniest guy in Trivets High School, probably. Here, let me tell you a joke. I don't know if you heard about this new movie. It's called Constipation. Hasn't come out yet. Also, a couple other things you might need to know. One is that, you know, the ladies really like me. But, to be honest, I think I'm just in the friend zone with all of them. You might see me in and around the workout room any particular day after school. I look good acting like I work out. But I never do. I just pretty much walk around, look at everybody else lifting weights, and that's about it.
Okay, then we have junior counselor number 9.
Well, you know, based on where the water heater is located in the shower, I would say you would want to use this shower because the way the hot water flows, it's going to go in this shower, and then this one, and then that one. Yeah, those showers over there, they're going to get the hot water last. Oh, what's that? This sink? The hot water comes out first? Well, that's weird. Oh, you say you've got a clogged toilet? No worries. I'll help you out with that.
Alrighty then. Now we have junior counselor number 10.
I can't wait to be camper. I just look forward to it so much. I know I was talking to Mr. Riker and he said, well, you gotta be ready. A lot of the campers want to get up early in the morning, sometimes 5 o'clock to go fishing. I told them, don't worry. Me and my buddy Barley here, we'll get up fishing in the morning very early. We'll be ready to go, right? No matter what. So, let's see, today's Wednesday. Tuesday morning, 5 o'clock. Oh, well, yeah. Yeah, I'm just gonna stay in bed, that's right. That's okay. I'll take them out. Barley, we're gonna go out Wednesday. We'll take the kids out fishing Wednesday morning. No problem, no matter what, guaranteed. I love fishing. Thank you so much. Love fishing. Oh wait, that was this morning. 5 o'clock, 32 degrees out. Huh. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna stay in bed.
Okay then, so let's have a little quick review. Junior counselor number 1.
Flip-flops and shorts, I'm all ready.
All right, who do we think that is? All right, over here. Huh? No, it is not. It's probably a girl counselor.
Raina.
Who is that? Raina. All right, you're right. It was Raina. Okay, next we had junior counselor number 2.
Yeah. Yeah, what do you think? Yeah, you're right. Nice.
This job is so much fun. Okay, then we had junior counselor number 3.
I'm ready, girls. I'm not getting wet. I know how to do this. I've been through this before. Who am I? Yes.
That's Brooke. Our Miss Brooke. Okay, then we had junior counselor number 4. Oh yeah, that was me. Okay, me count these spaces. 1, 2, 3. Okay, oh, we got a lot of hands up already. I'm walking in a straight line. All right, who was that? Me? Greg, you better talk to that girl. Yes.
Matt?
No. All right. Not enough girl answers. Who was that? Cameron, for sure. And actually, it's not quite fair to Cameron because he did have a compass that was defective. So, okay, then we had counselor 5. You guys aren't very good at this. Gee. I guess they do that one. Okay then, junior counselor number 6.
Doing good?
Colorado, Rocky Mountain High.
They nailed that one. Okay then, junior counselor 7.
Well, here we are at camp, and I have to make sure that you have everything in place and have everything you need so that you won't get cold, you sleep good, and you'll have a great time. Sophie, no. They don't call me ruthless for nothing.
That's what we call her, ruthless. I don't know why. Yes, I do. Okay then, now we're at junior counselor number 8.
Mr. Ivasovich is my idol.
All right. Who was it? Boys, come on, get an answer right. Trevor, okay. All right. get him down there. Junior counselor number 9.
Don't worry, guys. My dad's a plumber.
I thought you were going to hand me the plunger. Okay, there's only one left, so this can't be very hard.
The sleepiest fisherman ever. Yeah, back at
You were impressive with the pink wings on. I'm going to tell you that right now.
Nice fairy dust.
Okay, well, you were marginally good. Let me just briefly say this when I got this mic. This really is a nice bunch of kids you guys have. We haven't had to ask them to do things more than once. They've been willing. They help each other down